How are you doing? Don't care, back to me. I have never cooked a single meal in my life. Okay, this is making way too much noise, I don't like that. But tonight, my girlfriend's out of town, and here's what happened. Hey YouTube, going live right now with some cooking. There you go, dude, look at that. Actual YouTuber, you saw the intro, that was good, right? Let me get the ingredients out, because you guys are like, what are we making? I hate that like my face isn't in the frame, but yeah, I'm not a fucking gnome. And this way you have like a nice view of the food. And there's no other way I don't have a tripod or something, so that's what it is. We have the meat. I've got the rode kool. I have no idea how you say rode kool in English. Well, if you want, it's in Dutch, French and German, not English though. Rode kool met appelen, right? That's one option. Rode kool met appelen. Chou rouge op ham. Very nice. And then of course we've got the apfelrotkokel. That is of course the vegetables and the meat accounted for. But then there's one big part that has to do with every Belgian meal. Fry them, boil them. Potatoes. Potatoes. So that's my dinner. There we go. I got this fresh from the butcher like 3 days ago. Oh, look at that. That's my meat right there. I was going for like a very traditional piece of meat first, but this was very cheap. So, sue me. Okay, I'm kind of scared to use a knife. I'm pretty sure I have one of those thingies. Did she hide it from me? What is it? You know how like you either have the veterans, the fucking prestige 5000 moms who can just skin a potato with like a knife like this. They just go like chup 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 chup. I can't do that. I need the peeler. I know we have one of those peelers because I help sometimes. Dude, why does my girlfriend have so many knives? Should I be worried? Look how many knives she's got. How do I know which one's the sharpest? I just like poke my finger. Potatoes going everywhere. Who made them round? Okay, the small pot is dirty, so I have to clean the dishes first. Great, love that. Oh, that's disgusting. Watch the photo dishes live on stream. Woohoo! Let me look up copyright-free music.
Banana tomo chico chico, big flows, caracamerlo bigo bigo, nundo.
So I've only discovered this after editing the video, but apparently the sound effects were insanely loud. Nobody cared to tell me.
Oh, sussy buck.
I have officially looked everywhere. I had an apron, dude. This sucks so much. By the way, is the desktop audio like is it like too loud, the effects for you guys? Yes. It's loud, Tyboo. It's loud. What was I doing? Oh, I was cooking food. I'm so hungry. Okay, let me turn on this. I think it's this one. Nope, that's the wrong one. Nope, wrong. Might be this one. I don't know how high I should put the number to like boil water. I guess the highest number, right? Whoa, wait, why is that blue? Wait, this thing is red. What the fuck? This is 100% just blood red like heat. I just don't put it in blue. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, my nose is already running. Look at that. Look, it's already going. Look, I hear a very concerning noise. Oh, weird noises. Scares me. Like, if I blow up, let this VOD be my will. I will leave all my possessions to my girlfriend. My family gets fuck all. Maybe I want to give my little brother something. Maybe I'll give him like Bloodborne or something. Actually, he bought that game and then I stole it. You know what, little brother? You can have Bloodborne back. And the monitor. I also stole the monitor from you. You can get the one back as well. All the rest though goes to my girlfriend. What am I trying to cook? Potatoes. I'm like one funny goofy amount away from like cutting off my thumb. Am I doing this correctly? It's so hard. My thumb is cramping up as well. This is not fun. Alice, this is why I get a girlfriend. It's making noises again. Oh, this is wet on the other. Oh, I get it now. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. Oh my god, that's loud.
How are you already fucking up skinning a potato?
What am I doing wrong? Look at this. Look at my potato. Look at that. That's good. Alright, that's one done. This is why I don't cook, by the way. The amount of effort you need to put in this thing compared to how long it takes to eat it is not equal. It's just not. My thumb hurts. My nose is running. The pot is making weird noises. By the way, my girlfriend's not home. If something goes wrong, I'm fucked. What do you mean effort? You've done nothing? What do you mean? Look at the potato. Are you blind? Look at that potato. You see how it's glistening compared to this one? Oh, I just cut half the potato away. My back hurts, dude. Oh my god. Can't even see the difference between like... Oh, that's so loud.
Any streamer born after 1993 can't cook. All they know is DoorDash, charge they phone, twerk, be bisexual, eat hot chip and lie.
What's a big... Look at this one. This one is a girthy motherfucker. Look at that. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Look at the state of this thing. You see this? This is where, you know, this is where you pull out dump cap. I have no idea what the fuck you say that dump cap in English. The thing that sucks the smoke away, right? Look at this. It's in my face. My girlfriend is around this big. She can just like cook like this. you know, no problem, we can do this stuff. I tried to look at my potatoes and I smack my head every time. This is why I don't cook, I swear to God. Look how small this potato became. I don't even know if I'm gonna eat this many potatoes, dude. Oh, I'm out of breath fucking skinning potatoes, peeling potatoes. Do you say skinning or peeling?
Breaking news, Belgian man improperly cooks potato, catches botulism, becomes paralyzed neck down and dies.
The fuck is botulism? Should I be scared? I've peeled 2 potatoes and a half. That's so loud. Oh my God. I just peeled away half the potato. Oh no! I tried to like go around the potato, but I literally just took the whole top off. Look at this. I hope my girlfriend doesn't see this stream. Dude, my girlfriend didn't tell me how long it takes to boil potatoes. Can somebody tell me in chat? Oh my God. You're gonna scare me every time?
Ye baby gonna cry? Potato too hard to peel? That's all I'm hearing from you. What, I took the top of it off? Yeah, that's what she said.
What? I think I have to put salt in the water as well. Oh shit, it's hot. I think. Do I have to put salt in the water or not? Yes, no, you fuckers. Perhaps, okay, I'll do it. How much? Oh, this is the worst. I like salt, so I guess I'll just add more. I need a big one. I need a big, yes. I think that's good. I have no idea. I got no concept of like anything in this situation. Yeah, last potato. Oh, that's so loud.
Add a stock cube for a flavor injection.
What the fuck is a stock cube for a flavor injection? Man is cooking in fucking 2305. This is not a game, this is real life. I'm backwards. I need a chair. There we go. This is way better.
What the actual fuck are you doing, you mongrel? You just made your potatoes taste like the Pacific Ocean.
I don't think so. It's no longer the water is no longer boiling. Why not? But these potatoes better taste amazing. How is this worth anybody's time? I took off everything. Yes, you are okay, dude. Wait, who the fuck did the prediction? What is the prediction? What are you guys predicting on? I can't see it. Where do I see it? I was like, what the fuck are all these like 1s and 2s in my chat? What is this? Will he fuck up the food? Okay. Oh, dude. 86%? It's potatoes. You guys are idiots. Okay, now I'm gonna put the potatoes in there without burning myself. How? Do I like take a distance and just like throw them? Like dunk them? Like let them fall. I'll just be fast. If I'm fast, I can get burned.
You guys are idiots, says the guy who can't peel potatoes. Tonight we are dining with uncooked potato bonham delicious.
Why would they be uncooked? Oh, because the butter's not boiling. I'll just wait. Man. Like so. Like so. Look at that. I'm cooking, dude. Oh shit. When did I put in the potatoes? How late was it? Oh my God. 21. So let's say it was like around 20. I'm assuming it should be around 10 minutes. So I gotta put in the meat real fast, because that needs like 10 minutes as well. That's the wrong one. This one. No, it's the wrong one. Who designed this? 1, 2, 1. Oil. I'm gonna put oil in the pan. Oh, this one is. Oh, I'll do butter. Knife slices the butter. Butter goes in the pan.
Tyboo, add orange juice to the meat. Yummy kappa.
Orange juice. Okay, how do I make this though? Oh no, it doesn't have instructions.
Yeah. This is big brain
I
time.
just put it in. I hope it works. Oh, that smells. Oh, that smells delicious. I meant yes. This is how I cook. I just get fucking canned food from the vault. Holy shit, this thing is. Oh, hello. Please, oh. Spoon.
Make sure not to burn the sauce, you numpty.
I don't have. This is not sauce. It's vegetables. How do you burn vegetables? Like all wet and stuff. You cannot burn water. It just starts to boil. That smells like cheese. There's no cheese. That's nice. I just like put it in there. Oh, that's thick, lad. Okay, I thought it would start doing like shh. It didn't do it. How did the potato? Oh shit!
What the fuck is that? Toast surrounded by fucking Cheeto dust.
Okay, listen here, you piece of shit. It's the cheapest piece of meat I could find, okay? I'm not a rich man, okay? That's the cheapest meat I could find. I don't know what's in it. It's fucking gacha. Could be fucking dead leopard for all I know. Why would it be a live leopard? I went to the butcher and I asked for meat. Ay. Time to put on the gloves. Gloves are off. Gloves are on. I don't know. Dude, how long do potatoes... I gotta fucking Google this now.
Should have got a meal deal for dinner instead, kek.
Boiled potatoes. Oh my god, just give me an answer, Google. Not this. No, I don't want your cookies. Oh my god, it's a whole fucking... Just tell me the number. I hear a scary noise behind me. Oh, it's the meat. Oh no, the fucking ads. Oh my god. Oh, boiled 10 to 12 minutes or cubed. What cube?
Okay Tyboo, when you want to test if the potatoes are ready, stab them with a fork. Lift it up and if the potato falls off, it's ready.
If it falls off. Ah, that's hot, dude. I can't grab one, there's slippery bastards, dude. Dude, no! Oh, it's so hard. Ah. Okay, I think they're like way too hard still. I can't grab one of those fuckers, they're too fast. Why is there water on the handle? Oh no, it's sticking to the pan. Please don't be burned. Ah! Hey, yeah, pretty good. Is it possible that it's called red cabbage? Is that any English-speaking fellas in the chat? Does red cabbage say anything to you? If so, this is red cabbage. Oh my god, it's so wet. Yummy! The intestines of my enemies. Yummy, 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 yummy. I like doing this. Makes me feel accomplished. Okay, let me try and like grab one of those fucking potatoes again. Ay, ay, ay! It's hot! It's hot!
When Linguini said anyone can cook, this is not what he meant. Tyboo, stop taking stuff off of the heat.
What? Stop taking... Linguini? Is that the guy from Ratatouille? Is this okay? It comes off! It comes off! It's ready! It's ready! It comes off! Aye! Oh, okay, it's kind of brown, but that's fine. Soldiers who come back from the war see their children for the first time.
Tyboo, you shook it. It fell off because you shook it. It's not done.
It's not done? Oh my god, fellas!
Are you winning, son?
Yes. Oh. Oh! How is it possible? Oh shit! I can't get it. I can't. Oh, yeah, I got one. Oh, it fell off. Look.
You are going to spend the rest of your days in a mental asylum if you don't die from this meal.
It fell off, just like your mom in League of Legends. Oh my god. I'll just leave it on there. I don't care. The meat is... The red cabbage is boiling. I mean, it's nothing some mayo can't fix, right? Any more smart comments from you guys? Let's see. Mayo? Yeah, mayo, dude. Mayonnaise and potatoes is like men and women. They just fit together. Once again, joke. The center of the Cheeto is gonna be raw. What do you want me to do? Fucking learn firebending and make it like... Oh, wait, the potatoes. Can I just like leave them in the water? Yeah.
Mayo, meat, and cabbage. God damn it, I knew Belgian people don't eat like normal people.
I am not gonna take that from an American. How about you fucking drink some more corn? Disgusting excuse for a human. Dude, the meat is going crazy, dude. Okay, no, the meat's actually making scary noises now. Ah! Is it done yet?
If I looked like this when I was 10, my mom would have thrown me out of the house.
Home to their wife, see their firstborn child be like, oh my god, it's black.
Meat has lost its privilege, punk.
Oh no, I got these. Oh shit. The meat looks ready. The cabbage is in a different state of matter. And the potatoes are in limbo? What do you mean in limbo? They're in water. Afgieten. I don't know, say afgieten in fucking English. There's so much steam. Oh shit. I can smell food. Okay, the meat is black, but I'm pretty sure in the middle it's still gonna be raw. Oh no, this is boiling again. Why do you keep boiling? Wait, it's smoking now. That's not good. Oh my god, that looks like absolute garbage. What happened? The fuck is wrong with my potatoes? Look at this. What is that? Oh no, it's leaking out. The cheese. That's fucking raw. The red cabbage is probably ready. Frankly, I got no idea. It's cold already, I think. Maybe just, oh, low fire. I learned this from you guys. Low fire. Is this the wrong fire again? Which one is this one? So as you can see, the meat is kind of pink on the inside, and I think it's supposed to not be pink. Oh, my cheese has gone away. My cheese, I love my cheese. Which one will boil first? Is it you little bitch?
Before you fucking do anything, tell us what fucking poor creature the butcher had to scavenge to feed you.
I don't know. I don't ask questions. Oh, it's smoking again. That's good. I am so incredibly hungry. You have no idea. What time is it? Holy shit! I've been cooking for 2 hours. I've been doing this shit for almost 2 hours. Are you kidding me? This is gonna take like 5 minutes to eat. That is not worth it. Dude, this meat it's too thick. How is it supposed to like cook in the middle? How is it even possible? You're so fucking fat. I'm just gonna eat it. I swear to God, I'm so hungry. It looks pink. I might get salmonella, but this will never get cooked. What if I put it like on this side? Come on. Like little girthy twin towers. Look at that. So now I just wait. Dude, this whole thing looks disgusting. Dude, the whole stove is just disgusting. What happened?
Get this right. When you cut something right, stay with me. It gets smaller.
I know we get... Okay. I know it gets smaller, but I don't want my meat to be smaller. I don't want to eat like carpaccio of unidentified meat.
It's only a game.
you have to do that?
Tyboo willing to risk food poisoning so his meat isn't small.
Wouldn't we all? I'm not disrespecting carpaccio. I love carpaccio. This is not carpaccio. I'm not making carpaccio out of fucking whatever this is. I love carpaccio. How the fuck are you making a pink yet dry burger? I can't do that. Why are you being so rude? I can still see the pink. How is this pink? How are you still pink? You are so black on the outside. How are you still this pink? Wait! I'm an idiot! Oh my god. There's ham inside the burger. The pink is not a raw burger, it's ham. There's ham inside the fucking thing. I didn't realize. Oh my god. Who puts ham in a burger? Okay, first up, potatoes. Dude, they look like grandma's testicles. What is this? Okay, there's the meat. And here's the... Okay, actually, that looks like pretty decent. That's not bad. Look at this. That's a decent meal. Yo, let's go.
Where's my plate?
You want some of this? Let me get my mayo. Let me get my iced tea. Let's make a day out of this.
Please do more of these in the future, lol.
I will never. This is such a pain in the ass to do. Also, you guys make fun of me. This is literally the first time I've cooked ever, okay? You guys make fun of me instead of like helping. Actually, you helped me quite a bit. But still. Oh, the meat. Let's try the meat. It's
Tyboo, I've never known someone to take 2 fucking hours to have a cold, hot, dry, wet, salty dinner.
Oh. You guys are so mean. I gotta say. I don't know why.
Kill yourself with shit food, lol.
Oh my god. Oh my god, the potatoes are disgusting.
I wonder why it's salty, he says.
Those potatoes, you know the wet part of the sand at the sea? Not the dry part.
The one piece!
It's like slime. The potatoes, okay. Oh, there's a fucking mosquito in here. Okay, the potatoes might be... The meat though? Oh. The meat is nice though. That cabbage is kind of sour and cold. Okay. When you get deeper into the meat... That's not a fuck up. That is not a fuck up. This is edible. This is edible. I have to finish it. Yo, believers, this is for you.
Finna give the toilet a 10-hit combo. Hope you have good Wi-Fi from your shitter.
You guys are relentless. Let me eat my dinner, dude. It's getting cold.
Need some more salt, Tyboo? Glad to see the taste test of prison food replica is going well. Should have added the stock cube like I said.
What is that? What is a stock cube? I'm not putting shapes in my food. Pull up a chair, bitch.
I for one am proud you cooked something.
Thank you. Thank you.
Might wanna take some painkillers for that ass gonna be ripping.
Who the fuck takes painkillers for like diarrhea?
That's gonna be an ass clapper for sure.
Baking stream next, dude. I am never doing this again. I have to recover like for 2 weeks from the emotional damage alone.
The only damage you are taking is your fucking butthole ripping apart. It's a backhanded way of making sure you are safe, Tyboo.
You guys are just tsundere. Ah, I get it now. What? A tsundere? Dora Dora? Come on, tsundere.
That's gonna be the sound of your ass when you fart. There is an unhealthy obsession with your ass now. I've seen people struggle less in survival situations, Tyboo.
Mosquito!
For dessert we have cheese and a Wallace and Gromit move.
Cheese! I have cheese! The last piece of meat. The last piece of God knows what meat.
We'll give it up for the big man.
Cooking fucking sucks.
Following Tyboo's track record, I was surprised mystery meat didn't become mystery meat on floor.
Right? I didn't drop anything. Oh, I can't move though. Oh. Oh.
I love mystery solid, I love it so much.
Okay, that's enough stream. Okay, bye bye.